I found there are 3 core beliefs that come to the surface and keep someone from buying even if they believe the new opportunity is right for them. Step 1, the vehicle. Other false beliefs they may have about the vehicle or the new opportunity you're presenting. Number 2, the internal belief. Beliefs about their own ability to execute on the new opportunity. And number 3 are external beliefs. False beliefs they have from outside forces that could keep them from success. So in a more complicated sale, you need to imagine what their false beliefs are related to each of these 3 things. So all the false beliefs you found related to the vehicle, put them in the first column. False beliefs about their own internal beliefs go in the second column, and external beliefs into the third. Now decide which of those false beliefs is the core belief holding them back in each column and put it at the very top. Now that you have your list of false beliefs, you also need an epiphany bridge story to go with each of them. Finally, I rewrite each of these false beliefs and the stories that will go with them into a secret that causes curiosity so people will want to listen. Curiosity is the key. Do you see the power behind what we've created here? It's all about breaking the false belief patterns holding your prospects back and rebuilding true beliefs.
Do you want to know what 185,123 people already know? That's how many people have gotten a new copy of my brand new book called Expert Secrets. Now, this book is helping them to find their message, to build a tribe, and to change the world. Now, if you want, you can go to Amazon.com and go pay full price for a copy of this book right now. Or because you're here right now, we set up a very special deal where you can literally cover a few bucks shipping and handling, and we'll send you this book for free. There's a link down below. Click on that link. We'll take you to the special page where you can get this huge discount on my brand new Expert Secrets book. Now, this book's going to help you to take any talent, idea, expertise that you have and turn that into a business where you can help other people, which is the best type of business in the world. So to get your free copy, click on the link down below right now. You're gonna cover the shipping and handling. We'll ship you out a copy. I cannot wait for you to get this copy of the Expert Secrets book in your hand because I know that your message matters and that you can change the world. So click on the link down below and we'll send you your copy of the book right away.